Hi guys, Kadyo here and you're watching M News. Honda Philippines unveiled the all-new Giorno Plus scooter at an exclusive event. Opo, attended po ito ng mga media and influencers and of course the dealers. The all-new Giorno Plus is designed with the fashion-conscious Filipino rider in mind. Napakaganda po talaga ng classic design nito. Okay, it blends modern classic design with exceptional performance and innovative features. The all-new Giorno Plus is available in Pearl Black, Pearl Jubilee White, Pecan Orange, and Virgin Beige colors. The all-new Giorno Plus starts at 101,900 pesos and will be available sa lahat ng Honda 3S shop nationwide. Starting February na guys. So ano pa hinihintay nyo? Tignan nyo na, mag-ipon-ipon na, bilhin na ng Giorno Plus. Yeah!